Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 142. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. No help here. 2, 3, 9. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 9. And no help here. 2, 3, 9. And for this row, then, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 4, 8. And no help here. 2, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. No help here. 2, 3, 8. 2 and 3 here. So this is our 8. And then no help here. 2, 3. But with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. And that 8 makes this our 4. And we can get rid of this 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5. 3 and 5 here. So this is our 6. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. And that 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here and an 8 here, so this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 1, 4. And this 9 makes this our 3, 9. We can get rid of this 9 and this 9. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this column, we're only missing a 2. That 2 makes this our 3, 2, and that 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing a 5. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.